Welcome to Heart Activation Breathing. Find yourself a comfortable place where you can sit or lie down, where you can simply focus your attention just on you for a period of time. Let yourself come first for a short time, where you won't be interrupted as we begin a transformational practice that can change your life for good, right here, right now. This can become a daily practice that will reap amazing rewards. Let's begin focusing on your breath to bring your attention away from any problems or any distractions you may have, and focus on the body with the mind. Breathing has been a meditation practice since ancient times, and we will be adding a modern component to this practice. It's called Heart Activation Breathing. So let's do it for a while now to get your heart in a place to heal your emotions and your mind, in a place to give you clarity for optimal problem solving. Now, take a deep, slow, full breath into your chest and say in your mind, heart breath, as you visualize the breath going into your heart. And then exhale, slowly releasing any tension in your body. Again, breathe in and say in your mind, heart breath, as you see the oxygen going into your heart. Keep breathing into your heart as I explain now what we are accomplishing. Just continue breathing while saying in your mind, heart breath, as you see the breath going into your heart. And then exhale slowly. Again, breathe in and say in your mind, heart breath. If you need a physical cue, place your right hand over your heart, slightly left of your center line, the sternum. Now we know that the oxygen actually goes into the lungs. However, the mind doesn't distinguish between something vividly imagined and reality, especially if you bring strong emotions into the picture. Keep doing the heart breath into your heart and becoming more and more relaxed, comfortable, and optimistic with each inhale. You see, as you visualize positive feelings coming into your heart, they actually change your state. It changes your blood chemistry positively. You feel better able to cope with anything that life brings you. You feel capable. So keep breathing into your heart. You can imagine breathing into the heart any positive feeling you can think of that counteracts the negative feelings that you may struggle with until the struggle stops. All with your focus on the heart breath. And remember, this is a practice you can do anytime you need to reset your mind and emotions. It's simple, effective, and tremendously soothing and relaxing. Keep breathing into the heart. That's right. You've got this. Know that these wonderful feelings are circulating through your bloodstream and being delivered to every cell of your body now. And it's all with the power of your mind and intention, your focus. You can positively affect change with many effective techniques anytime you choose to focus on what you actually want. We are doing this integration technique for synchronizing the problem-solving mind with the emotions of the heart. Ideally, for transformation and healing, the emotions are in balance with your logical, problem-solving mind. When they are working in harmony in your body, you can accomplish so much more. You are true to your highest purpose, and neither the brain or the mind can overrule the other. Integration becomes your new state of being. Keep breathing into your heart. Just a few minutes of this daily practice can transform your life positively and keep mind and emotions in a state of balance. Now we will add another dimension to this balancing healing practice: color. Just keep breathing into the heart while I tell you what the color green represents. The heart chakra is the only one that is represented by two colors. Green represents the love, compassion, and empathy you have for others. Pink represents the self-love, regard, and self-esteem you have for yourself. Keep breathing into the heart and imagine you can see the colors of your own heart chakra. Is there more green than pink? For most people, it's out of balance. If you can't see the colors of your own chakra, that's perfectly okay. You can simply imagine streaming in lots of happy pink light. Feel it helping you to feel really good about yourself and this simple practice. Now you can stream in green, amplifying your compassion for others. Feel the calm, soothing feeling that comes in with the green light. It's such an abundant color in nature. Nature must have known we need to see a lot of it to keep this chakra balanced. Keep doing the heart breath, and I will tell you more about these colors because colors actually benefit our bodies in specific ways. It's called chromotherapy, and it's the science of healing with color. Green is the color of nature and is the universal healing color. The ancient Egyptians and Chinese used green as the primary color of healing. Because green is midway in the color spectrum, it contains both a physical nature and a spiritual nature in equal balance and equal harmony. It can be used for balancing nearly any condition in need of healing. So try green first. It is the essence of balance and harmony and soothes the mind and body. Green is linked to the heart and indicates deep compassion and love for others. Green shows a healing of the heart, commitment, and self-love, also love for others. It may help you develop a selfless, nurturing, and friendly nature. Pink is a color that brings compassion, self-acceptance, self-control, kindness, and intuition. It's comforting, playful, friendly, calming, and nurturing. It brings gratitude and devotion. It enhances sweetness and playfulness. And now add to the practice by continuing to focus on breathing in positive feelings. And now exhaling any negative ones. You can name the negative ones, or you can simply imagine the inhale acts like a vacuum, gathering anything negative from your whole body and drawing it out to be exhaled simply and effectively. And with that exhale, send out any negative feelings that you are aware of. Breathing in the heart breath and taking in the positive, exhaling the heart breath and sending out the negative. You may see the negative feelings leaving as a mist or vapor that leaves your body until there is now room in your body to take in more positive thoughts, experiences, and emotions. That's right. Keep breathing into the heart and exhaling all that no longer serves you. You've got this. Be aware that bacteria, cancer, and other states of illness and dis-ease thrive in oxygen-deprived cells. With this practice that is both fully oxygenating while calming and soothing, and so relaxing to the nervous system, you are benefiting mind, body, and the immune system all together. The science behind this heart activation breathing is measurable. If you went to a doctor who connected you to a heart monitor called electrocardiogram and a brain monitor called an electroencephalogram, they would not have the same electrical rhythm. you would see these differences on the monitor visually. Except when you do heart activation breathing. When you breathe and visualize or imagine that the oxygen actually goes into your heart instead of your lungs, the heart and mind sync up. They entrain with each other. They have coherence with each other. And this is an ideal state of being to be interacting with the world in. It's exceptionally helpful for problem solving and helping your body heal and regulate. It's extraordinarily beneficial to your mind and body. So continue breathing in and exhaling the negative now with the heart breath. And we'll add gratitude while you just keep breathing into the heart and focus the mind on so many things that you are grateful for. Start globally and think of big things that you are thankful for, like the planet and the moon and the sun. Just be grateful for how they affect our lives and help us have food, recreation, and also rest. Think of your gratitude for where you live and the beautiful sights around you. Think of the gratitude you have for the pleasant sounds of nature, like the birds and the gentle breeze through leaves. Really feel the gratitude in your heart. And now let it spread to your whole body. Yes, embody gratitude. Think of your gratitude for loving relationships that you have and for your ability to experience life. Yes, be grateful that you are alive to experience learning and all of the things that you can do. And that concludes our heart activation breathing session. So come back to the room now and gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed, grateful, healthy, and happy.